Let's talk about the recently launched TECNO smartphone TECNO CAMON 20 Pro. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.67 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, with resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with approximately 85.7% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 395 ppi pixel density, and with 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The phone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 64 megapixel main wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera, and QVGA camera. For selfies it has 32 megapixel main wide-angle camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 based on iOS 13 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, powered by MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the phone plugs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8GB extended RAM through memory fusion technology, and 256GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable through dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.4 by 76.7 by 7.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 190 grams, and the color options Serenity Blue, Pre-Dawn Black colors to see in this phone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the phone also feature under display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with AI Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the smartphone includes dual SIM 4G, dual point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, with stereo speakers, and a USB Type-C charging port, and NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The TECNO CAMON 20 Pro has been priced in Pakistan for 8GB plus 256GB. Storage variant at 60,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this TECNO CAMON 20 Pro? Do let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.